In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your email on eBay effectively. Whether you're new to eBay or just looking to ensure your contact information is up to date, this process is straightforward and essential for maintaining your account's security and functionality. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the eBay website. You can either enter the URL directly into your search bar or use a search engine to find the site. Landing on the homepage, you'll notice a plethora of options, but what we're interested in is your profile. So locate and click on your profile icon, which is usually found in the upper right corner of the page. This action will reveal a drop-down menu. Within the menu, you'll want to select the Account Settings option. This area of the site allows you to manage various aspects of your eBay account, including personal details, privacy settings, and more. Once you're in the Account Settings section, look for the Personal Information tab. It's important to note that this section contains crucial details, so always handle them with care. After entering the Personal Information area, scroll down until you find the Contact Info section. Here, you'll see your registered email address displayed. To verify your email, you'll need to find the Verify button situated next to your email address and click on it. It's incredibly important to undergo this verification step because it ensures that eBay can communicate with you effectively through updates or notifications, thus enhancing your overall experience on the platform. Once you've clicked on the Verify button, head over to your email inbox associated with this eBay account. Look for an email from eBay that contains a verification link. Sometimes this email might land in your spam or junk folder, so if you don't see it right away, be sure to check those folders as well. When you locate the email, open it and click on the verification link provided. This action will confirm your email address with eBay and complete the verification process. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully verified your email on eBay. This simple but necessary task helps to keep your account secure and ensures that you're always reachable through the best channels. Remember, keeping your contact information up to date and verified is a small step that protects your online experience while allowing you to take full advantage of all the features eBay offers. Thank you for following along today. I hope this guide was helpful and makes your eBay experience even better. If you found this video useful, feel free to share it with others and help them verify their emails too. Until next time, happy eBaying.